It's happening again, and Google is making some big changes to the way that they are serving YouTube ads. Now, what they're talking about doing right now, and I actually just got this email from them, was reading into it, it's actually going to be pretty exciting, I think, because it's going to actually bring back calls to action on video discovery ads, which is something that used to be there that they ended up taking away, which pretty much made video discovery ads useless unless you were using them to promote content on your channel and ultimately grow a YouTube channel. But now they can be used more like ads. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. So I'm really excited for this change. Essentially what's happening is YouTube is going to, or Google Ads is going to be upgrading TrueView for action campaigns to what they're calling video action campaigns. So let's go ahead and break down what exactly all that means. So starting early 2022, Google is going to be changing all of the TrueView for action campaigns. And essentially a TrueView for action campaign is just when you go to set up a video ad campaign in Google Ads, it's basically choosing a goal, right? It gives you nice calls to action, makes everything good, and they will help you optimize for the actions that you want them to take. So nothing special there. It's just exactly what you've been seeing recently. Now, they're going to be changing that to video action campaigns, which is going to do a few things. Number one, it's going to allow your ads to show up on different places on YouTube. Places like the homepage, search results, things like that. So your in-stream ads are essentially going to be able to be turned into video discovery ads. And I'll throw up a little link over here, and I'm just pulling this up so I can kind of look at it real quick. But they basically have like a whole bunch of different things. So you can show up on the YouTube home feed, YouTube watch page, Google Video Partners, which the video partners kind of suck. And the one concern that I do have with this, they say it's going to be beneficial because it's drive more conversions, get your ads out. Of course, it's going to be beneficial for them because you're going to end up spending more money having your ads shown in different places. So yeah, that benefits Google for sure. But the one thing that I'm kind of concerned about is a lot of the functionality that comes with in-stream ads that have been that's worked really well. Those don't work with, say, video discovery ads or different display ads, or, you know, if your in-stream ad is showing on somebody else's website on the Google Display Network. It doesn't have those cool calls to action and things like that. So hopefully this fixes that. And as you can see from the screenshot right here, it's got these in-stream ads and video discovery ads. And you can see the numbers, and it says, you know, 1, 2, and 5 are for in-stream ads, and 1, 3, and 4 are for video discovery ads. So I think that's going to be pretty cool. You know, 1 being a call to action. Video discovery ads are going to have a call to action, which I'm really excited about. And so are in-stream ads. So that's pretty standard. Headline is going to be on both of them, except for with video discovery ads. Number 3 is a long headline. So you're going to have a long headline for the video discovery ad, a little bit more ad copy, up to 90 characters. The description is going to be on the video discovery ad as well. And then site links will be able to show up on in-stream ads, which you can already put. Those work great for like e-commerce brands and things like that if you have additional products or variations of products or whatever. So they're essentially going to be forcing everybody to upgrade. They're going to let everybody set these up shortly here. And also some of these, this is available only on mobile as well. So until they really roll this out, we won't quite know exactly what everything's going to look like. They give us the overview. And of course, we're going to link to that below this video. So we'll end up having to kind of see how that all works. And they also say specifically, you know, how it works. Some features are not supported on all ad formats. For the video action campaigns, for example, contextual targeting, such as, you know, placements and things like that. Those aren't going to be available for video discovery ads, but they will be for in-stream ads. So that's kind of how that works there. So just a heads up, something that is going to be changing. We'll be keeping you up to date on everything as soon as all of this rolls out. And yeah, kind of looking forward to it. Honestly, I used to really like the video discovery ads when they had calls to action. So I think this is going to be really cool. The one thing I'm kind of like, is the video display, or sorry, you know, partners on the video display network. Hopefully you're still able to exclude those, as well as you know, excluding like YouTube homepage and things like that, because like I said, some of these features, you know, if you're making your ads specifically for in-stream ads, it's kind of a bummer when they're like, hey, we're going to take this in-stream ad and, put it over here, or, you have to upload all kinds of different banners and this and that, when really, companion banners are great, but do you want to create all of these different assets to go with one video ad campaign instead of just launching, say an in-stream ad? So hopefully they still leave us the ability to do that. I do believe they will, but we will find out shortly here. So that's it for this video. And as always, you can jump on over to TubeSift.com. You can check out TubeSift, and now you can check out our new video ad vault, which is a complete collection of all of the ads that we found running on YouTube. You can search by, competitor name, keyword, channel URL, landing page URL, all kinds of good stuff. It'll give you a massive leg up on the competition and help you come up with pretty much unlimited angles, hooks, and offers in your niche. So that's it from me on this video. We'll keep you posted about these video action campaigns, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.